Hello everyone, I'm Pooja and in this video I'm going to talk about regression testing. So please go through the video till the end to understand the concept, and if you think this is helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. What is regression testing? Regression testing is conducted to verify that new changes are not impacting the existing features, the functionality of the application or software. The regression testing is used to make sure that software or application works as previously even after adding new feature or change in the existing functionality. It does not require new tests to perform. Previous test cases are generally used to perform this testing. It is also referred to as software testing type, in which re-execution of test cases are done in order to check the functionalities of the application are working fine or not. There should not be a new bug because of changes. It can be done manually and it can be tested automatically with the help of a testing tool. So now let's see what is the need of regression testing. Regression testing is required when there is a change in requirement and code is modified according to the requirement. New feature is added to the software. Bug fixes, performance issues fix, or new patches or updates. So let's see some example. Suppose there are three modules in the project named admin module, personal information and employment module. And suppose bug occurs in the admin module. Like on admin module, existing user is not able to log in with valid login credential. So this is the bug. Now testing team sends the above mentioned bug to the development team to fix it. And when development team fixes the bug and hand over to testing team, the testing team checks that fixed bug does not affect the remaining functionality of the other module, that is admin, personal information and employment module, and also the functionality of the same module, which is admin. So what are the techniques to carry out the regression testing? So one can carry out this testing as per their requirements. Here are various techniques one can leverage for regression testing. And these techniques are retest all, test selection, test case prioritization, and hybrid. So in retest all, you have to rerun all the test cases in your test suite. This technique is more expensive and more time consuming as compared to other techniques of regression testing. Regression testing selection, keeping in mind the code changes in the module in test selection, techniques you have to select test cases from your test suites that you have to carry out your regression testing. Test case prioritization. Based on the importance of functionalities, you need to prioritize the test cases into the top, medium and low priority. So these test cases are then run based on priority. Hybrid, it's a mixture of test case prioritization and regression test selection. So now let's see how to perform regression testing. The scope of this testing keeps increasing with the addition of new functionalities and changes in the code. Keeping in mind the scope of regression testing, testers prefer to use automated test tool for regression testing, but it can be carried out manually. So let's see the steps to follow while performing this testing. Recalling the above discussion, how to choose test cases, prepare a test suite for your regression testing. You can choose to automate these test cases like Selenium UFT with the help of automation tools. Keep updating your regression test suite as and when required. Execute regression test suite whenever there is any code change, bug detection, functionality update, or whenever a situation arises to retest your code. Make a test report with a proper status report. So this is all about regression testing. Hope this video was helpful. Please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe. That's all for today's video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.